All right, I'm going to show you the correct way to answer question 5. And then you're going to get a chance to answer another question similar to it. So pay close attention. This one was a hard one. So if you're here watching because you got it wrong, don't feel bad. This one's tough. So let's see if I can explain it. So Rolando's making buttons that are shaped like circles. So let's get that picture going. There's my button shaped like a circle. Each button has an area of 36 pi square centimeters. So that's where the confusion hits right there. So I know that the area, I'm going to type that out. Area is equal to 36. I don't have the symbol, so I'm just going to put pi. So remember, that part right there means 36 times pi is what's happening. All right. Which measurement shows the circumference of each of the buttons in centimeters? So now I got to figure out circumference, which is around the circle. So what do I know about circumference? I'm going to type it over here. Let's give myself some space. This is a tough one. All right, so circumference we know is equal to diameter times pi, or times 3.14. It is pi, but we'll say 3.14. All right, so with that being said, all I got to do is find this diameter, multiply, and then I can multiply by pi, and I'm done here, okay? The problem is they didn't give me the diameter at all. What they did was give me the area. So I have to remember what I know about area. Area is equal to the area of the radius square times 3.14, or pi, okay? So they told me that the area of the radius square is 36. So I know that. So I'm going to draw that because I know that information. So let me make my circle a little bigger. That's not a good circle. We're going to have to do some work here. There we go, a little bigger. All right, so let's go ahead and draw this radius square. So we go here. Then I got another shape. I'm going to draw upwards. Then we're going to go this way. Sorry, my square is a little crooked there. I know that the area of this square, though, is 36. Oops, 36. So all I need to think about is what radius could be multiplied by itself to get to 36. You may not know. Some of you are going to think 9 because that's what your brain says. So let's try 9 just so we can see what's wrong with that. If I do 9, then this has to be 9. And then I'll check it out. Is 9 times 9 going to give me 36? No, that's 81. So we need to go smaller. So let's try a different number. We're going to get straight to it. So we're going to try 6 and 6. 6 times 6 is 36. So if the area of the radius square is 36, and that means the radius has to be 36. The radius has to be 6. So now I have enough information. I just changed this problem. So now I know the problem really is, here's the button, and the button has a radius of 6. There it is, 6. So now I just want you to find the circumference if the radius is 6. We know how to do that. We turn this into a diameter now. So we go all the way across. That's another 6. So the diameter is now 12. So I'm just going to now do 12 times 3.14. So I'm going to go ahead and go here, 3.14 times 12. And honestly, I'm going to estimate, like always, the whole numbers. 3 times 12 is 36. There's my estimate. I look at my answer choices. There's really nothing close to 36. So I'm going to go with the answer of 37.7. Okay? But I'm going to continue to work it out just so in case you have trouble with decimals, I'm going to help you out. We move the decimals over. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. I move over, put my 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Add everything up. And I have 8. I have my 2, and that's 6, 7, 37.68. I'm not too sure where the decimal goes. If I moved it to the right 2 times, I got to come back here and move it to the left 2 times. Or think about your estimate. I said 36. The only place it can be 36 is there. So I got 37.68, and there's my answer. So to recap, guys, this one's tough. They gave us the area is 36 pi square centimeters. So we had to know this was the area of the radius square, which was 36. So then you just figure out what number times itself gives you 36. Keep trying numbers so you get there. And then once you figure that out, we figured out it was 6. So we know the radius is 6. That means the diameter is 12. And from there, you can find circumference, okay? So just know that when it says the area is 36 pi, that means the radius square was 36. Good luck on the next problem.